ROBI represents an innovative solution that integrates 4 key areas. Vertical storage with 2 independent bays. FANUC robot. Equipment necessary for handling and gripping parts as grippers for robots, vices, and 0-point. Innovative software. The supervisor software can now automatically manage the production cell, assigning priorities and optimizing workloads, eliminating the need for manual intervention. ROBI is a revolutionary modular and fully automated production system designed to optimize manufacturing and storage activities. It integrates warehouses, fixtures, and machine tools, improving production processes. With 56 trays and a load capacity of up to 250 kilograms each, it offers flexibility in storing various materials and equipments too, and using a specially designed algorithm. The system accurately determines the optimal position for parking the tray, maximizing available space. The FANUC robot is a 6-axis model suitable for various applications, combining a 70 kilograms capacity with extremely high axis speeds and a repeatability of plus or minus 0.04 millimeters, ensuring extraordinary repeatability, easy handling of large plates, excellent speed and motion performance, and unparalleled reliability. The main advantage of ROBI is its ability to maximize machine tool utilization, allowing for 24/7 production. Deep knowledge in the business of workpiece clamping equipment enables us to complete the ROBI automatic system by offering the customer a turnkey solution, including automatic or mechanical vices, grippers for gripping and handling the part and fixture, and automatic 0 points for positioning and clamping. By incorporating ROBI into your workflow along with Gerardi products, you can streamline operations, optimize storage, and improve overall productivity. You can expand the number of warehouses and machines, resulting in more combinations and production capacities. In addition, you can change the layout of machines to fit your space and optimize workflow. One ROBI can serve up to 3 machine tools.